So I've actually practiced and written the script for today's video, but currently I'm really exhausted, so I'm just gonna be keeping the script for tomorrow. So for today's video, this is just gonna be a really short video. This is April 3rd, 2025, and this is gonna be day 269 of consistently helping people build consistency. One of the biggest problem why we cannot be consistent at doing something is because we don't really know when are we going to be doing the thing. Even if we say inside of our head that, hey, I'm going to be doing it after school, I'm going to be doing it after dinner, it's not really clear. It's just kind of like some kind of plan that we have inside of our mind, but most of the time we don't really actualize it. We don't really execute it. We only say to ourselves that, hey, yeah, I'm going to be doing this after that. But in reality, we just procrastinate and postpone it until at the end of the day, we say to ourselves, hey, I'm extremely exhausted right now. I'm just going to be doing this thing tomorrow. Okay, pretty much, the same case with my video today, right? So this video is also going to be a lesson for me. So one practical way to solve this problem is to basically just create a clear time when are you going to be doing something, okay? For example, exercising at 5 a.m. or studying at 5 p.m. and so on and so on. And then the next thing that you want it to be doing is to basically set on an alarm, right? To remind yourself to basically do that thing. So it's not something that's only inside of our mind, right? Now there's something, something concrete, right? I'm not saying that our thoughts are not real, but you know, I'm saying concrete in a sense that, hey, the alarm can ring and it can produce some sound and reminds us to do something, and basically telling us that, hey, this is the time to do your exercise, this is the time to do your studying, blah 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 blah, right? Basically, that's the thing. And also, we don't really want to have the boring beep 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 sound because, hey, we need to, maximize our environment. We need to make every single thing, every single aspect in our life help us to achieve the goal of consistency, right? And one of my best tip on being consistent, right, is to basically just change your alarm tone into something that can motivate you. It can be your favorite motivational song, it can be your favorite motivational speech, or maybe it can be even be your, like your own voice recording telling yourself to do your thing, remind yourself of your reasons why you do your things, right? So basically, this way, even on the days when you are not feeling motivated, when you hear the alarm rings, you are going to be reminded of your reasons. You are going to be feeling motivated, right? The probability of you actually feeling motivated is going to be higher. And eventually, ultimately, the probability of you actually doing the thing is going to be higher, right? Basically, we are trying to motivate ourselves on a day-to-day basis, right? So basically, that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. Really practical guide. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and also join our Discord channel. And if you want to help me uh, supporting my work, you can buy me a coffee on Gumroad, link on the description. Thank you. And for today's date authenticity post, today is April 3rd, 2025, and Mimzar posted a university degree post. Yeah, Ninja University degree post last 24 hours. Thank you.